Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Dodo Kwashe. Today we are just coming to talk about basic, a basic, uh, a basic library system. Yeah, when you have to go in for a book, which it will show that the book is the book is borrowed or the book is active for you to take. Yeah, so we've already done our HTML, CSS, JavaScript down. Yeah, so let's see how they were integrated to get the results. So before you add a specific JavaScript, then you have to bring the script attribute. You will give it a source. So we've given a source, which is JavaScript, and the second one we've given a source which will link us to the base stack. Link us to base stack. So this is the CSS code we've done for it, or the CSS code. Now the JavaScript, this is the JavaScript. This is the whole JavaScript, and we will come and talk about it one by one. So, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when you go live on the site. So it gives you a great library, which welcome to great library, which we have our search for archives. Then we give a catalog here. So this catalog will come and talk about it soon. Then these are the features of our website, where we have all the books. Then available books, and the borrowed books. So we have three available books, and borrowed book. So for the available book, now you can book them. When you book them, this is how you book them. You add them to cart. So the moment you add them to cart, this will happen. Add a cart here, it will turn to one. So let's add another one to cart. Let's add another one to add cart. So when you click on cart, it will give you added. You understand? These are all the works of JavaScript. These are all the works of JavaScript. Now another work of JavaScript is on clicking on the cart. When you click on the cart, it can give you a bold thing to say proceed to check out. So this is the money, the total amount of the four books you selected to buy. You understand? So proceed to check out. We are proceeding to check out. You could not start a transaction, so let's go back. So transactions was not complete, so let's click OK. So these are all the works of JavaScript. We will dive into the code and see what happened before this effect took place. All these effects. So we will see. We will dive into the code and see. So we will see what happened before we have gotten a borrowed here, or what happened before we've gotten available here. So let's go back to our code. Now this is the JavaScript. We will focus more on the JavaScript. Yes. So the initial app. So we will initialize it. Document add event listener doc blah 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 blah. Render books. That's the books. So then we go to render books to render. So we give the book image, the source of the book. So we've given 4 books. So which will give the book price, the book status, and the author, the title of the book. Yes, so those are the things that we give, and you can see them here. You can see all of them here. The status, the price, the author, and those stuff. We've all added those ones. Now the cat logic, window cat equals to ID. Now comes book. So you find it. When you find the book, you click on it. Then you push the book. So you push the book to the cart. you push the book to the cart, then it will what update cart. You understand? Now simple feedback which will be the added. So let's see, which will be the added. Simple feedback which will be the added. So this is what happens. So it has added to what? The catalog. It has added to the catalog. Let's go back to the code. So let's move to what? The filtering and searching. Filtering and searching is simple in such a way that you go to the what? Search input. When you do the input, if you go to the search input, you search for the what? The book. So the filtering will also what? Filter by clicking or pressing enter. You understand? Pressing enter. So if you click on all, it will come. You understand? It's just the model. Or the page tag integration. So the page tag integration, if you click on the cart, it will give you what? The cart is empty without what? Adding it to the cart. You understand? Without adding to the cart. So I beg the listener to check out the button. So that's the checkout. When you click pay with what? Pay stack. When you click pay with pay stack. Pay with pay stack. You understand? So now let's relaunch the app without what? Let's go live without choosing the distance. So it will give you what? Your cart is empty. Your cart is empty. The moment you've not what? Selected a cart, you've not added anything to the cart, and you click on it. So like this, it will give you what? If you click proceed to pay, it will give you what? Your cart is empty. So this is a simple website created to manage books, whether they are available or borrowed. So this is how they are searching for books. So let's first search for one book, which is what? The Great. So the moment you search, it gives you what? The Great. So I just started with the initial, and it has given me what? The book. So let me add it to what? Cart. Let me add like 3 to our cart. So it will calculate the what? The amount what? Automatically, which gives her what? $45. You check out. I think we kind of have a problem with the what? Pay stack. We kind of have a problem with the pay stack. So the moment you click this sign, it will give you what? The transaction was not complete. Then you click OK, and it brings you back to your what? Start. Thank you for joining me today on a short lesson about my what? Create library. Join me another time as we dive into creating another website. Simple but what? Powerful website using JavaScript, CSS and HTML. Thanks.